Welcome back to Primetime News.
And special welcome to folks at OneSpotMedia.com.
Up first this evening, news that the ban on jet skis in Jamaica will soon be lifted has already started to create jitters among some NEGRIL business interests, while others are waiting eagerly for the sea craft to be allowed again.
But a licensed jet ski operator is among those opposing its return based on safety concerns. TVJ's KIRK Wright has that story.
More than 4 years after the ban on jet ski, and Ray Johnson never removed this sign outside his business place.
The sign that I have out there is still out there because of a protest way of we want back jet ski.
He's one of the first to have started the jet ski business in NEGRIL, and now the news that the ban could be lifted has not come too soon. It's because of a death and several other jet ski related incidents why the government banned its commercial use years ago. Co-owner of the Travelers Hotel in NEGRIL and a director of the Jamaica Hotel and Tourist Association, WINTHORP Wellington, was there the day the visitor died in the jet ski incident.
To think that it's going to be coming back, it's a very scary thought for us here as stakeholders and as proprietors and somebody who has gone through such a tragic situation. And I can say it's probably the worst day in my professional career by far. And again, to think that it's coming back, it's a very scary thought. And not that I have much information, or any of us have much information on how it's going to be implemented. I would say that's what I'm most curious about.
The government is yet to say how it will regulate the jet ski operations to avoid accidents. But Mr. Johnson offered this suggestion.
I don't believe it should just rent a touristy bike and let him go anywhere, because they're going to visit their friend on the beach and ride in the swimming area. I believe we wait until we get 3 or 4 bikes and we send one along with it to ride in front, and we take them up the river or down to Ricks. That is how we plan to do it, instead of riding back and forth on the beach close to the swimming area.
Gail Jackson Brooks, who is a JHTA member and hotelier, is also one of 6 licensed jet ski operators in NEGRIL. She is nervous about the ban being lifted.
I feel that it's very unsafe to be on the 7 Mile Beach. Totally. I think a property such as Jam West, where you go to an activity away from hotel, there should be no jet ski activities on NEGRIL.
The JHTA argues that the government has failed to address several issues affecting NEGRIL, and added that reinstating jet ski operations would only be adding to the problems.
We have harassment problems, we have horse problems on the beach, we have drug selling problems, we have tourists being robbed, we have other issues here that need to be dealt with. Why would he be creating another issue that at this time?
The GHTA has no faith in the tourism minister's promise that there will be tighter regulations.
The track record that we have is very poor because we haven't been regulating our beach up to now.
Cecil Brown, president of the NEGRIL Pleasure Craft and Recreational Association, believes better regulation will come with proper management and equipment for the police to enforce the law.
For example, when there's an airline accident, do they stop the air traffic system? No. When there's a train accident, do they discontinue or ban the railway system? No, they don't. Austerity measures is something I don't believe in, because what it does, it highlights the weakness of your management skill.
And those with interests in operating jet skis aren't pleased about news that the plan now is to create one hub from which everyone will operate. KIRK Wright, TVJ News.